Hi, my name is Karina Hyatt. I'm the president and co-founder of Prizm Media. With me today is my co-founder and CEO, Zishan Hyatt. At Prizm Media, we specialize in scaling the reach of healthcare firms through lead generation and technology. Over the years, we have been servicing primarily the pharmacy and durable medical equipment industries, and we have generated over 13 million quality leads and are on track to generate over 5 million leads this year through our integrated marketing approach. From our efforts, our clients have been able to convert those leads into over 400,000 new patients, with over 78% of them suffering from diabetes. We all know that diabetes is an epidemic. There are 24 million people in the United States alone that suffer from this disease, and 86 million that are rated to be in the pre-diabetic stage. The ADA estimates that by 2020, over 52% of people, US adults, will fall into these two categories. The costs are staggering. We're looking at $245 billion that were spent in the US alone in 2012, and that is estimated to reach $514 billion by the year 2025. So with 11.1% of the population being diagnosed as diabetic, we're looking at 53 million people by that year in the US alone, and we're looking at 600 million diabetics worldwide. So what is it that Prizm Media is doing to solve the big problem of diabetes? And we're answering the question of how can we prolong or prevent this disease? Through our eHealth ecosystem, we're currently bringing in 12,000 new leads per day of people who have indicated they have diabetes. They are telling us what their age is, what type of diabetes they have, how many times they're testing per day. In addition to that, they are also giving us their consent to contact them in any way, shape, or form. And what we've done with our eHealth ecosystem is that we've created another system to be able to close the gap and understand what the consumer is doing outside of just treating their diabetes. We're tracking activity and habit and health information through our health and fitness app, Kudo Life, and combining it with machine learning algorithms and an SVM to be able to create the frequency domain and information and segregating that data so that we can determine what preventive action those individuals can take. So we know that unhealthy habits result in risk for disease, and the key for us is to be able to change that through diet, activity, and increased access to healthcare. The key for us is to be able to provide that consumer with a lifeline and a lifestyle opportunity to be able to create a lifetime engagement for the healthcare consumer and be able to provide them with the services and products that they need at the point of need. So at Prizm Media, we've been focusing, like I said, on the diabetic market, and that has allowed us to grow from 2009 to 2013 at a rate of 1,285%. Last year, our growth was 42%, and we've been recognized by Profit 500, landing number 52 in Profit 500 last year, W100 as one of Canada's top female entrepreneurs, and many other organizations. Obviously, we can't do that without a great team. Our CEO, Zishan Hyatt, has 14 years in entrepreneurship. He was voted one of Business in Vancouver's top 40 under 40. Our lead engineer, Kadir Turk, has experience in machine learning, neural networks, and one successful exit. Nikhil Matthew, our director of operations and software engineering background, and Alia Murshi, our director of product development, has worked for Viacom and EA and was the product manager for Nick app, which was voted best UI UX design and received an Emmy. So we've been bootstrapped from day one. We're profitable. We're really looking for partnerships, we're looking for advisors, and we're looking for additional talent. Our goal is to expand our reach to the 24 existing million diabetics in the United States alone, and then expand internationally so that we can grow beyond the $100 million mark.